Hey there, today we're going to see how to use Google Meet. If that's something interesting, let's get started. So first of all, I'm on the Google Meet page. I'll provide the link in the description below. So all you need to do is sign in using your Gmail account. So once we get there, let's get into the meetings. So before you start a meeting, you're going to get this window where you can literally look into yourself on how you're going to look on the meeting. You can play with audio controls before joining into the meeting. So as you can see, this particular screen that's how you're going to look in the meeting anyways. Now we have a mute or turn off microphone button. When you click on that, you're muted in the meeting while you're joining in. This is going to turn off your video. When you click on that, your camera is off. This is something you can do before joining into a meeting. And let's click on these three dots and let's turn on captions. I'll get to it in the later stage. And we have settings. When you click on settings, it's going to open up the audio and video control of the meeting. So you can adjust your microphone, you can switch through speakers, and when you click on video, you can change the resolution, you can change the source of your video. For now it's in HD, and if you're in a place with low internet connection, you can probably cut it down or cut it short to maybe 360p. So that's about it for this page. I'm going to click done. And the next thing we're going to do is just get into the meeting. Now, once you get into the meeting, a window pops up with your meeting link and also copy join info and also add people to the meeting. So when you click on copy join info, all your meeting invitation, it's going to get copied to a clipboard in which you can share across multiple social media channels. So for now, I'm opening Notepad for ease of use. I'm going to paste this info into Notepad, Control V. This is something you can send to invite people for the meeting if you're not sending an email. Now let's get over that. Now you can see add people, and when you click on add people, you can invite people using their email addresses. That's something you can do as well. I'm going to close this window and I'm going to switch off video for ease of use. Now let's get into meeting details on the bottom. It's the same thing which we just saw, the window that opens up. You can again copy join info, and you can also send it to people across. Now this is something we already primarily discussed. Turn off microphone. This is to end the call or leave the call, and this is to turn on or off camera. Now I really promise that I'm going to be speaking about captions in the video, so I'm going to click on captions. So yeah, as you can see, it just types in whatever you speak. Again, for ease of use, this is something really cool in Google Meet, which I've never seen anywhere. Again, let's turn off captions and let's go get into the top section of Google Meet. You have a participants tab. If you click here, it's going to show you the list of all participants in the meeting. You can add people to the meeting. It's again going to pop up the same page as what the meeting details did. There's always a chat bubble. When you click on the chat bubble, you can chat within the meeting. Something pretty useful, similar to Zoom. Now this opens up the chat bubble. Now then we have a timestamp that's going to show you the time, and then this is going to be the video of yourself. Now let's get into the presenting options. Let's click on present now, and when you click on your entire screen, it's just going to share whatever is there in your screen at the moment. So this is my screen. When I click on it, when I click share, yeah, so this screen is being presented to everyone. So let's click on stop presenting. I'm going to click on present now again, and I'm going to tell you how to use a window in presentation. I click on window. It's going to show all the windows that are already open. So I have Excel already open. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on share. So when you do that, it's going to open an Excel sheet where you can share in your meeting. Now I'm going to click on stop presenting, and we're going to click these three dots again. You got multiple options here called change layout. When you click on change layout, there's already a pre-recommended layout in your meeting. And we have three different options. One is something is called sidebar. The sidebar is something similar to Zoom, where it's gonna, let's open this again, where it's gonna put the presenter in the center and have four different tiles on the side. And the spotlight is where the presenter gets the primary attention, and that's all you see on your screen. And then we have a tiled view. When there's like multiple people in your meeting, it's going to give a tiled view of each and every one. This is something you can do or choose case by case. Let's close this. We have a full screen mode that turns your whole meeting into full screen so that you have no interruptions from your desktop. Then we have turn on captions, which we already saw. And we have settings similar to what we saw while we started the meeting. You can have your audio controls and video controls set here. Then we have use for phone audio, and we have multiple options to all our informative pages to report issues or anything that you face with Google Meet. So that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, do share, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions on Google Meet, do comment below and I'll try my best to answer it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.